completed chapter number 4 part 2 exercise 4.2. Today we are going to start part 3 exercise 4.3. So let's begin. So students, in our today's lecture we will study second method how to solve a given equation, that is transposing method. Transposing a number means changing the side of the number from LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS, and the number sign also changes. अगर आपका कोई नंबर LHS से RHS में जा रहा है और वो नंबर आपका नेगेटिव है, so it will become positive and positive number will become negative. Let us start with exercise 4.3. So for a maths NCERT book page number 89. Question number 1. Solve the following questions. So these equations we have to solve according to transposing method. I explained the transposing method by previous lecture. Transposing a number means changing the side of the number from LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS, and the sign has to change. अगर आपके नंबर पे प्लस साइन है, it will become minus, and minus है, it will become plus. A bar 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. So the first step, you have to see LHS we have 5 upon 2 and RHS 37 upon 2. This is one fraction. So this whole fraction will go to right hand side. We are transposing. So plus will become minus. So let us write here 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. So bracket you will write transposing 5 upon 2 to RHS, right hand side. Then 2y is equal to, denominator is 2 and numerator 37 minus 5. 2y is equal to 32 upon 2. 2 16s are. So now next step, dividing 2 from both the sides. So right here, dividing 2 both sides. So both sides we will divide 2. 2y upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 cancel. So the value of y is coming 8. So students, how to check whether the value of y is equal to 8 is correct or not? For that, we will put this value of y in the given equation. So let us write here, check. So heading you will write, check, put y is equal to 8 in equation. And the equation is 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. So put the value of y, 2 into 8 plus 5 upon 2. 2 8s are 16 upon 1 plus 5 upon 2. You all know fractions now. In chapter number 2 I explained you. So your LCM will be 2. So LCM is 2. 16 2s are 32 plus 5 upon 2. So answer is coming 37 upon 2. See, our LHS is 37 upon 2 and RHS was also 37 upon 2. Both the sides are equal, so it means our answer is correct. B bar 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So LHS we have 5t plus 28 and RHS 10. So we will transpose 28 to the RHS. So let us write here 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. Because 28 was plus, it is going RHS, so it will be minus. Transposing 28 to RHS. So now 5t is equal to plus minus minus, and the greater number has minus sign, it will be minus 18. So right here minus 18. So next step will be dividing 5 both sides. We have to remove this number with the variable. So now 5t upon 5 is equal to minus 18 upon 5. 5 cancel. So the value of t is minus 18 upon 5. So again we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. We will put this value of t in the given equation. So right here put t is equal to minus 18 upon 5 in equation. So what is your LHS? LHS is 5t plus 28. And what is your RHS? RHS is 10. So 5 into minus 18 upon 5 plus 28 is equal to 10. 5 cancel. Minus 18 plus 28 is equal to 10. 28 minus 18, 10 is equal to 10. So both these sides LHS and RHS are equal. C part A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So LHS we have 3. So transpose 3 to the RHS. So write here A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. So bracket we will write transpose 3 to RHS. Next step will be A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. So your next step will be multiplying 5 both sides. So bracket right here, multiplying 5 both sides. So A upon 5 into 5 is equal to minus 1 into 5. 5 cancel. A is equal to minus 5. So again we will check. Put A is equal to minus 5 in equation. And LHS is A upon 5 plus 3, that is equal to 2. This is your RHS. So minus 5 upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. 5 cancel. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to 2. So both these sides LHS and RHS are equal. D bar Q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So transpose 7 to RHS. So it will become minus. So write here Q upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. Bracket write transpose 7 to RHS. So Q upon 4 is equal to minus 2. So now we have to remove this 4. So multiply 4 both sides. Both sides. So Q upon 4 into 4 is equal to minus 2 into 4. 4 cancel. Q is equal to minus 8. So now check. Put Q is equal to minus 8 in equation. The equation says LHS is Q upon 4 plus 7. That is equal to 5. This is your RHS. Minus 8 upon 4 plus 7. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 plus 7, that is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So both these sides LHS and RHS are equal. E bar 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 10. So we will multiply to both sides. So right here, multiplying to both sides. Both sides. So 5 upon 2x into 2 is equal to minus 10 into 2. 2 cancel. 5x is equal to minus 20. So now we will divide 5 both these sides to remove this number. Divide 5 both sides. So 5x upon 5 is equal to minus 20 upon 5. 5 cancel. 5 4s are 20. So x is equal to minus 4. So again we will check. Put x is equal to minus 4 in equation. The equation says 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 10. The value of x is minus 4. So 2 2s are 4. That is minus 10. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 10. So both these sides LHS and RHS are equal. So students, remaining parts will be homework. You have to solve them in the same way in your maths rough notebook and check whether your answer is correct or not. Question number 2. Solve the following questions. A bar 2 bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. So our first step to remove this 2 from the LHS. So we will divide both the sides by 2. So let us write here, dividing both sides by 2. So 2 bracket x plus 4 upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 cancel. X plus 4 is equal to 6. So now we have to transpose this 4 to RHS. So it will become minus. So right here, transposing 4 to RHS. X is equal to 6 minus 4. X is equal to 2. So next step we have to check whether this value of x is correct or not. Put x is equal to 2 in equation. So equation is 2 bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 value of x is 2 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 into 6, that is 12. So 12 is equal to 12. Both these sides LHS and RHS is equal. B bar 3 bracket n minus 5 is equal to 21. First step is we have to remove this 3 from LHS. So dividing both sides by 3. So let us write here, dividing both sides by 3. 3 bracket n minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 21 upon 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 cancel. N minus 5 is equal to 7. So next step is we have to transpose 5 to RHS. It is minus, so now it will become plus. So right here, transpose 5 to RHS. N is equal to 7 plus 5. So n is equal to 12. So now we have to check. Put n is equal to 12 in equation. What is the equation? 3n minus 5 is equal to 21. Value of n is 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 21. 12 minus 5, 7. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 21 is equal to 21. So both the sides LHS and RHS is equal. C bar 3 bracket n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So first step is to remove 3 from LHS. So we will divide both the sides by 3. So right here, dividing both sides by 3. So 3 bracket n minus 5 upon 3 is equal to minus 21 upon 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 cancel. N minus 5 is equal to minus 7. So we will transpose 5 to RHS. Minus will become plus. So right here, transpose 5 to RHS. N is equal to minus 7 plus 5. N is equal to minus 2. So now we have to check. Put n is equal to minus 2 in equation. And the equation is 3n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So value of n is minus 2. So minus 2 minus 5, it will be minus plus minus 7. So minus 21 is equal to minus 21. Both the sides LHS and RHS are equal. B bar minus 4 bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. So our first step is we have to remove this minus 4. So dividing both sides by minus 4. So let us write here, dividing both sides by minus 4. So minus 4 bracket 2 plus x upon minus 4 is equal to 8 upon minus 4. 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. So 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. So it is cancelled. So what is left? 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. This minus sign will go up. It will be minus 2. So the next step is we have to transpose this 2 to RHS. So right here, transpose 2 to RHS. Then x is equal to minus 2 minus 2. X is equal to minus 4. So now check. Put x is equal to minus 4 in equation. What is the equation? Minus 4 bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. Value of x is minus 4. Plus minus minus 4 is equal to 8. So 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. We will multiply minus 4 into minus 2. That is equal to 8. Minus minus cancel. We know that minus minus in multiplication is cancelled. It will be plus. So 4 2s are 8 is equal to 8. Both the sides LHS and RHS is equal. E bar 4 bracket 2 minus x is equal to 8. So the first step is we have to remove this 4 from LHS. So dividing both these sides by 4. So let us write here. Dividing both sides by 4. LHS 4 bracket 2 minus x divided by 4 is equal to 8 divided by 4. 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. 2 minus x is equal to 2. So now we will transpose 2 to RHS. So right here, transpose 2 to RHS. So minus x is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. As we know that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So the value of x is 0. So now we have to check. Right here, check. Put x is equal to 0 in equation. The equation is 4. 2 minus x is equal to 8. 4 bracket 2 minus 0 is equal to 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. So both these sides LHS and RHS are equal. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood your ma'am's class. So chapter number 4 exercise 4.3 question number 1 and 2 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Our next class will start with remaining questions of exercise 4.3. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.